In this video, we're going to look at hundredths. A hundredth is one square and one tiny square out of the 100 squares. This is 100 squares. We have 10 squares going across. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then going down, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 times 10 gives us 100. So we have 100 mini squares inside of the big square. There are 30 mini squares within the big square that are colored in orange. So we say we have 30 hundredths written as a fraction. As a decimal, we say 30 hundredths. Now, this point 0.3, if you saw the previous lesson, we said we had that would be, if we just had the point 0.3, that would be 3/10. Okay. In this scenario, we have three groups of tenths. So we have a tenth right here of the whole square, another tenth of the whole square, and a third tenth of the whole square. So you can write it as point 0.3, or you can write point 0, 0.30. It still means the same thing. Let's look at this one. It says, direction says color in the fraction, then write the fraction as the decimal. So it's already colored in for us. So we need to find 50 hundredths. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 out of the 100 total mini squares. So as a decimal, 50 hundredths. This is tenths. This is hundredths. So 50 hundredths. Let's look at this one. We have 10, 20, 1, 22, 23, 24, 25. So we have 25 hundredths, 25 hundredths, 25 hundredths. This is tenths, this is hundredths. We have 10 out of the 100 and 8 out of the 100. So we have a total of 18 out of the 100, or 18 hundredths. As a decimal, 18 hundredths. Here we have 48 hundredths. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. 48 hundredths. Let's do one more. 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60 hundredths. 60 hundredths. Directions. Compare the decimals with less than, greater than, or equal to. One way you can remember the less than, because it kind of looks like a L. See that? So that's how you can remember that this is the less than sign. So if this is the less than sign, that means this is the greater than sign. And if you're not sure which one to use, then think of this as a mouth. And these are the teeth. The mouth is always going to eat the bigger number. So if I have 6 and 7, that's the mouth. The bigger number is 7, so the mouth is going to eat the bigger number. All right, so we have 55 hundredths, 75 hundredths. 75 hundredths is more than 55, so the mouth is going to eat the 75. 66 hundredths, 80 hundredths. 80 hundredths is bigger. 48 hundredths, 50 hundredths. 50 hundredths is bigger. 42 hundredths, 71 hundredths. 71 hundredths is bigger. 18 hundredths and 12 hundredths. 18 hundredths is bigger. 66 hundredths and 65 hundredths. 66 hundredths is bigger. And that's our lesson for today. Good luck.